1. Find the number of days between 12th January 2004 and 7th March 2004. Answer 54 days. 2. If x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 5, then the value of x by y plus y by x is answer 18. 3. Find the sum of the arithmetic series. Answer 504. 4. The mean of a group of 20 items was found to be 40. While checking, it was found that an item 43 was wrongly written as 53. Calculate the correct mean. Answer 39.5. Answer 11 by 21. 6. A frequency distribution is organizing of raw data in tabular form, which can be represented graphically by answer histogram. 7. A cone is 8.4 cm high at the radius of its base is 2.1 cm. It is melted and recast into a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Answer 2.1 cm. 8. If 4 men or 6 boys can finish a piece of work in 20 days, in how many days can 6 men and 11 boys finish it? Answer 6 days. 9. Evaluate. Answer 4. 10. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest for a sum of rupees 9,000 lent at 10% per annum is 2 years. Answer rupees 90. 11. Answer 12 is to 18 is to 5. 12. Two sound waves are y is equal to a sin wt minus kx. Y is equal to a cos wt minus kx. The phase difference between the two waves is answer pi by 2. 13. In SI system of units, the unit of solid angle is answer radium. 15. Which of the following is most abundant in Earth's crust? Answer C. Silicon. 15. Select the correct statement with respect to D block elements. Answer all above statements are correct. 16. Match the following. Answer A4, B3, C2, C1, D2. 17. The method of permanent birth control in male is answer vasectomy. 18. Which act curbed the freedom of the press at the time of British rule? Answer the Vernacular Press Act of 1878. 19. Match the following. Answer A3, B4, C1, D2. 20. Identify the incorrect pair. Answer 2 and 4 only. 21. According to mercantilists, dash and dash were ranked second in importance. Answer industry and manufacture. 22. To check inflation, central bank dash the cash reserve ratio. Answer increase. 23. Match the following. Answer A4, B1, C2, D3. 24. Match the following. Answer A4, B3, C1, D2. 25. By whom defined? Every branch of knowledge has its fundamental discovery in mechanics. It is the wheel in science, fire in politics, the word similarly in economics. In the whole commercial side of man's social existence, money is essential invention on which all the rest is based. Answer Crowther. 26. Taiga forest. Consider the following statement. Choose the correct answer using the code given below. Answer 1 and 3 are correct. 1 and 2 are correct. 27. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Answer 1, 2 and 3 correct. 28. The heavy air traffic in the world is that between the city of answer Los Angeles and New York. 29. Nuclear test ban treaty was signed in answer 1963. 30. How many units are there? Answer 5. 31. In which one of the following electors participate in government indirectly? Answer representative democracy. 32. In which year right to property has been abolished? Answer 1978. 33. Where is the International Court of the Justice located? Answer Netherlands. 34. The headquarters of the United Nations is in answer New York. 35. Which emblem was adopted by the Vijayanagara rulers? Answer boat Varahas. 36. Who introduced many new ragas such as Gora and Sanam? Answer Amir Khusro. 37. Who was the patron of the great Buddhist scholar Vasubandhu? Answer Samudragupta. 38. Tansen lived in the court of answer Akbar. 39. When was the 550th birth annum of Guru Nanak celebrate? Answer 2019. 40. Where these words were taken from? Satyam, Shivam, Sundram. Answer Sanskrit. 41. In 2001, a stamp was issued on the historical ruler in India. Answer Chandragupta Maurya. 42. Dual party system in dash. Answer British and America. 43. Vidyanjali scheme was first was an initiative of answer Ministry of Human Resource Development. 44. Mizoram state in dash answer northeast. 45. Physical features like mountains, plateaus, rivers and oceans are drawn on a dash answer physical map. 46. The second edition of the Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet GAM held on answer 23rd and 24th January 2019. 47. Who is the Finance Minister of the India in the year 2018? Answer Arun Jaitley. 48. India's first microprocessor was designed by whom? Dash. Answer IITM Indian Institute of Technology Madras. 49. Evaluate 123 into 999 plus 123. Answer B. 50. The surface area of two different spheres are in the ratio of 9:25, then their volumes are in ratio answer 27:125. 51. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 5:6. If the number of boys is 30, find the number of girls. Answer 36. 52. A book contains 300 pages. Each page has 32 lines with the same content. How many pages will the book contain if every page has 24 lines? Answer 400. 53. If y is inversely proportional to x, then we have xy is equal to k. For k is greater than O, the graph is a answer rectangular hyperbola. 54. Find the missing term dash answer 25. 55. The cost price of 16 notebooks is equal to the selling price of 12 notebooks. Find the gain percent. Answer 33 1/3%. 56. The sum of 4 consecutive even positive integers is 1284. Find the smallest number. Answer 318. 57. Find the sum of the arithmetic series. Answer 800. 58. Answer 9. 59. If the product of two numbers is 5 and one of the numbers is 3/2, then the sum of the two numbers is answer 4 5/6. 60. What is 95% of 4598? Answer 4840. 61. Find the sum of 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus dash plus 490. Answer 17,395. 62. If the volume of a sphere is 9/16 pi, then its radius is answer 3/4 centimeter. 63. Thermistor is a answer material with a negative temperature coefficient. 64. The phenomenon of transfer of heat without any material medium is known as answer radiation. 65. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid is answer +6. 66. In which of the following minerals aluminium is not present? Answer fluorspar. 67. In which year Nutrition Export Committee of ICMR prescribed calorie requirement for IMR, IRM and IRW? Answer 1968. 68. Answer statement and reason are correct and the reason explains the statement. 69. An example for C4 plant is answer sugarcane. 70. Dash is composed of one or more sonospecies that are not able to intercross. Answer Camparium. 71. An example of C3 plant is answer wheat. 72. Match the following. Answer A2, B1, C4, D3. 73. Identify the incorrect pair. Answer legislative councils established in the provinces. 1892. 74. The famous book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India was written by answer Dadabhai Naoroji. 75. Which is not correct statement? Answer female status in the society. 76. Every state has a chief electoral officer. They are appointed by the answer president. 77. Planning requires a strong, competent and incorrupt administration. Who says? Answer Arthur Lewis. 78. Which one of the following is a direct source of information about the interior of the earth? Answer volcanoes. 79. In which country uses drip irrigation with high efficiency? Answer Israel. 80. In which country have most important motorway? M25. Answer United Kingdom. 81. Which article of the Constitution guarantees 7 freedoms for the citizens? Answer Article 19. 82. Under which article the governor can promulgate ordinance when the state legislature is not in session? Answer Article 213. 83. The Panchayat Raj was inaugurated in the year. Answer October 2nd, 1959. 84. 10th 5-year plan 2002-7 to priority for answer reduction of poverty and population growth. 85. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 86. The spirit of laws published in the year. Answer 1748. 87. What is the Ministry of Diwani-i-Aris? Is Caesar, Sir, period. Answer, in charge of army. 88. Peso's rule started from, answer, AD 1713. 89. When was the Bahmani kingdom founded? Answer, 1327. 90. Shivaji was born in, answer, 1627. 91. Violetum, the traditional folk from which state? Answer, Tamil Nadu. 92. First amendment to the fundamental rights for social reservation policies to the state was brought by, answer, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 93. Who is the External Affairs Minister of India in 2019? Answer, Sushma Swaraj. 94. BSLVC. 44. Lifted off with Microsat R and Kalam Saturn. Answer, 24th January 2019. 95. Fuel that is used in jet aircraft and stove. Answer, kerosene. 96. Robert Gallo discovered HIV which causes AIDS in year. Answer, 1984. 97. The equator divides the continent into two equal halves. Answer, Africa. 98. Cyclone Gaja, the word Gaja named from in which country? Answer, Sri Lanka. 99. The decision to start IMF was taken at dash. Answer, Bretton Woods Conference. 100. The first Human Development Report was published in 1990 by UNDP under the guidance of dash an eminent economist. Answer, Muhab Ui Haq.